Welcome to Good Old RVN. My name's Greg and I'm the creator of this video. And today it's an update on the Mopeka sensor. I had problems with mine as far as the battery goes. I have one sensor that's draining like 3 months sooner. Well, probably even more than that, but I found it at 3 months sooner than the other batteries, and I replaced them all at the same time. And so this is the second time, so I put in a text or email to Mopeka, and I'm just waiting on a reply from them. And so I'm going to bring you into it. I'll recap a little bit on the last video, so in case you missed it, you'll see what I'm talking about. Then I'll show you how to change the sensor and the battery. As you can see on here, the left side tank, which is right there, see left side tank, battery is real low. And so I'm just going to change the battery in all of them because this one wasn't updated for 3 months because the battery is so weak. So I'm going to change that battery out right now. Okay, so here I'm going to be showing you how to replace a sensor and the battery in the sensor. I'm simply spreading this, pulling this out. Really? Okay, so right here I'm going to explain how you change the battery and replace the sensor all in one. First off, you got to be real careful because these wires have a tendency to break. Next, you got to lift this out and push this forward to get this battery out of here. I just prefer doing it this way because not all the batteries that come with them are charged. So I just put a new one in automatic. So let's see what happens. Oh shoot. Pretty sure it went this way. Let's see. Yeah. See the positive side right there. Okay, let me just stick this back in here in this little pocket. And this cover goes on right here. Boom, just like that. Okay, now see the mark, the little round circles where I had that lined up last time and it was working fine. So as far as the readings go, I mean. So you put the circle, try to get it centered in the tank. Then for me, for safety, kind of safety, I just cut me a couple pieces of tape. Don't need to do that. Okay. On each side. Don't need to peel it back because I'm only using one side of the stickiness. Just that this is heavy duty. That's why I had to pick it out. Now, I do is I want to remove this one. mounted the device. And I just flip this tank over. See, it's showing a brand new battery. It's showing empty because the tank was upside down. Doesn't read proper. Alright, put this tank back here as well. Give it a few minutes to settle. Give it a few minutes to settle. And look at that. It already has a reading. Turned it over and it's showing 94%. Wow. I must have filled it or something. Interesting. Okay, so I want to rename it. So to rename it, that's that, my friend. One was a 30 pound. So I change that. Alarm threshold 20%. Update 3.5 seconds. Okay, we're good. Now we'll go back here. Left side Sierra, right side Sierra, and the spare. Everything's good. Okay, see how it's leveling out? It's down to 60. I think it'll be 57 when it's done. Okay, so that's how you change the sensor and the battery and program it on the app. And so far it's good. I'll have to check back. Batteries are all full now. I'll check back later and see how it's doing. That's what I got. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope it was informational for you. And if you watch this next frame right here, you'll see how the sensors relay to the app and the one that on the left side tank seems to be going a lot quicker than the right side or the spare tank. And this is even on the new sensor. This is the one I just put on it. So I wonder if that could be contributed. Anyway, you got this far. Please push like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions pertaining to this. And until next time, stay tuned. I'll let you know what Mopeka tells me. Bye now. Safe travels.